At Device Tech, we know one of the biggest issues facing companies is to ensure consistent data transmission and network reliability. To prevent networking disasters from microbends, we developed FastDrop. FastDrop has patented fiber bend radius control modules designed with a perfect bend limiter radius, which provides the correct minimum bend for fiber and copper network cables, ensuring consistent data transmission. Without FastDrop, cables can bend too sharply, inducing internal reflection and potentially snapping fibers, both of which are detrimental to data flow. It is simple to use and attaches fast and easily with clips, screws or rivets. It comes in 3 widths and can be used separately as a corner block or together as a spool for holding excess fiber. The FastDrop cable management system is currently used within enclosures, cabinets, patch panels, router racks, switch racks and many other systems. FastDrop is the optimum universal solution for managing and routing fiber and copper cables.